Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick review about this faucet that my husband and I bought 6 months ago. We needed a faucet really bad for this sink and we just didn't know what to buy. And then we found this one for an amazing price, but we were a little skeptical. We didn't know what to expect. And I am here to tell you that this faucet is amazing. We haven't had any problems with it. Everything works just fine. As you can see, you can use it this way or this way. It also has a button to stop the water. We haven't had any problems with the hose. That was a big issue with our last one. As you can see, it just goes back in. The installation was also very easy. My husband installed this super quick and he didn't have any issues.